We are on chapter number 5, which is inheritance. Our game code is getting quite long. Rather than making one extremely long contract, sometimes it makes sense to split your code logic across multiple contracts to organize the code. One feature of Solidity that makes this more manageable is contract inheritance. So let's see, in this file we are creating two contracts, contract dodge and contract baby dodge. Country baby dodge is inherited from the dodge, so we will have all the functions of uh, baby dodge, of all the function of dodge inside the baby dodge. Now let's see. Baby dodge inherits from dodge. That means if you compile and deploy baby dodge, it will have access to both catchphrase, here it is, and another catchphrase, here it is, and any other public function we may define on dodge. This can be used for logical inheritance, such as with a subclass, a cat is an animal. But it can also be used to use simplify for organizing your code by grouping similar logic together into different contracts. Now let's see. Now let's do an exercise for the test. In the next chapters, we are going to implement the functionality of our zombie to feed and multiply. Let's put this logic into its own contract that inherit all the methods from zombie factory. Make a contract called zombie feeding below zombie factory. Okay, now let's create it. Contract zombie feeding. Okay, this contraction we inherit from zombie factory. Is the keyword. Using that, we will going to inherit the zombie factory zombie factory contract. Here it is, and we have created. Just copy and paste it. The name. So we have created a new contract, zombie feeding, which is inherited from zombie factory. Now let's check the answer. Yes, great. So we have seen the basic syntax of inheritance in chapter number 5. Now let's move on to chapter number 6.